What is up, foodie fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. On this week's episode, we are having a 2-in-1 recipe: how to make a squid sauce and then Echoke noodles. If you want to know why we call it Echoke, stay tuned and let's get right into it. As always, all ingredients used for this recipe will be in the description box below, so please do check it out. I would like to give shout outs to Ocean Berries for sponsoring this video. Thank you for giving us this squid. It was so delicious, guys. If you want any seafood at all, contact them. They're on Instagram. All their link will be in the description box below, so please do check it out. So we'll start off by preparing our sauce. We'll be adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of water, and then we'll be mixing all together and set aside. So we'll be boiling some water with bay leaf and 1 tablespoon of salt. Once the water is boiled, we'll just put our squid inside. If you want to know how I cleaned up the squid, check our previous video. The link will be up here, and then you can just click on it and then check it out. And then we'll just put it in the boiling water for about 2 minutes, and then we'll take it out. So it's not like we are cooking. We are just putting it in the hot water for about 2 minutes, and then we'll remove it and set it aside. So we'll be adding 1 tablespoon of oil into our wok. Here I'm using sesame oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Sesame oil is really cool for stir frying. That's why I'm using that, but you can use any oil of your choice. We'll go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of ginger and then stir fry for about a minute. We'll go ahead and add our garlic, diced garlic. Also, we'll stir fry for about a minute on a low heat so that it doesn't get burnt, because burnt garlic tastes and smells awful. Then we'll go ahead and add our carrots. Now on a high heat, we're gonna stir fry our carrots for about 4 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and add our bell peppers, our green, red, and yellow bell pepper. You can use any vegetable of your choice. This is what I had at home, so I love colorful food as well, so that's why I'm using these vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice. After about 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my secret ingredients, which is grated papushito or habanero pepper if you're not in Ghana. Please, if you don't like spice, omit this process, I beg you. But it's the flavor from the papushito and the spice for me, like it gives it a kick. So if you don't like spice, omit this part, okay? After about a minute, we'll go ahead and add our blanched squid, our star ingredients. Once again, this squid is from Ocean Berries. Check the description box for that detail. If you need any seafood at all, get it from them. It always comes in fresh and neatly presented. So guys, contact Ocean Berries for all your seafood if you're in Ghana, specifically if you're in Accra. Now, time to add our sauce, the one we did before beginning the whole thing. Yeah, we are adding our sauce now. This whole thing should take you about 15 minutes. It's fast, it's very easy to make. So after, I think the only thing that will delay you is boiling the water. Aside that, the whole stir frying thing should take you about 15 minutes. So once you stir fry and make sure the squid is well mixed with your sauce, then you taste for salt, because soy sauce and oyster sauce has a bit of salt in there, so when you taste and you feel like you need to add more salt, before you go ahead and add salt. So if you are making squid sauce, this is where it ends. You can just add your spring onions and you are done. But we are making Echoke noodles, so we'll go ahead and add our boiled spaghetti, and then we'll mix it up and our food is ready. I named it Echoke because, guys, it's sweet and hot. You see the pepper that I added? Yes, it's really spicy, so that's why I call it Echoke noodle. If you don't like spice, you can omit the pepper, okay? And yeah, see how this is easy to make. Try it at home and score some points. You know, I give you all the tricks to score points, you bab. So cook it for the kids, cook it for your, you know. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, if you haven't subscribed yet, this is a good time to subscribe. Hey, and more video. See how you guys literally made the mojito video the most viewed video on the channel. Guys, thank you for your support and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to share and like. That leads us to the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Fred Delali Dokosi. He says, didn't know it was that simple. Thanks for sharing. Thank you too for watching. And if you don't know where this comment is coming from, check out our virgin mojito video. Thank you so much, and until I come your way next time, stay safe and know that COVID is real. Mask up, guys.